In what could be a reaction to major crackdown on social media users, especially those who have been critical to state government and its leaderships, few Facebook page admins have come out to seek public apology for allegedly trolling and criticizing the state government through their social media handles. In video messages purportedly showing those admins of some Facebook pages, the youths were seen apologizing for using inappropriate and abusive language while also agreeing to take down such posts.
I Facebook account then sana samhara account asidagi pabu mumbi phiren na thagambala ko posting dai hangna lebak miyam asibu lan lamjing ba yaba maramda karem kathai na man ba comment sing piru bagi dama ai isana lebak miyam amadi paliba lainga Hojik Manipuri same when a Pabung Bidan informed the La and I Hajari, Matung the Sigumba commenting as he leva miam suit of Tobitan of a Hajar.
I am leva miam informed the Wakon Crescent, Madu the AD Facebook account, Ikio Kamarang Sahai Versida, and I'm leva miam lan, Reava Amadi, Saka Pai, Pabung Yambu, in a Wahi Wata Pasada Bahai do leva miam informed then a Lali Hajari. Amasung mayam nasu tawbidana ba haijari to aina tawzagiba mayan duli chana yana mayam yamfam dasu khulolaga haijari ai mayam hapiyo haijari
aigi FB account nawbata kilamam haiba sidagi mayam bulana wanba yaba amadi babung birenda mention share toksanba adugi damakta ai mayam yamfam da lan haijari ai matung rawda amuhana smaina mayam gi sokpa yaba babung gi sokpa yaba matung raw amuhana tawjaroi mayam yamfam da lan haijari
Kiran lai sangkauba Facebook account ai isagi le jai aduda mayam na video ama share toropadagi aina aigi account da download toroga aina upload tawjagre adugi video to leba miyam amadi pabung sem birenda karem na boina thokre aina khamdabana khamjadabdana aina thagajarubane aduna leba miyam amadi leidiba lenga tigi hoji paiba pabung sem birengi marketagi aibu ngapinaba pabungda romjari
I Facebook account mamingna kanglei yomnam haina leibane ado ngasi nongni gi mamangda aina sailing amathiraga video ama thagachagibdo ai lebak miyam gi mamangda ai lale hajari aduga amasung pabung birendu ai lale hajari asiguma video je matung du ai thagachararoi aduga praja miyam du sumaina tawhiranu jo ai hajaningi aduga akhoi nungsi janana punna leminaraga lebak se kannaba punninasi